Hey guys, my name is Chinmayi and I am from India. I have started my own YouTube channel. This is my very first video and I love art. I do all kinds of experiments. I love watercolors. I like doing sketchings. I like on tone time paper. I like to add highlights and shadows. So today I'm going to give you a tour of my tone tan sketchbook. So this is Moana with little scars on her face just to give her like some coolness, and there's a scar on her eye just like Harry Potter. This is Milan. I really like the movie because it's so cartoonish, and it doesn't have so much volume. It's like plain, flat. This is Pocahontas. These are bamboos. I tried to make them realistic with charcoal pencils and charcoal blocks. This is a realistic bird sitting on a branch with some flowers. This is a portrait of a realistic girl. This is a realistic eye. I also like to make realistic things. These are realistic lips. This is Wonder Woman. I tried to make her more realistic. This is Rapunzel. So I made her half black and white and half colored. This is the mermaid from Little Mermaid 2. I haven't seen the movie, but I really like this mermaid. This is Ariel. As you all know, I love her hair because they are so fluffy and red. This is a Disney princess. I don't know her name, but I really like her hair. This is Ursula, and as you have noticed in most of my drawings starting from here, I have made the hair like thin lines, so I'm starting to develop a new hairstyle. This is Lady and the Tramp from a famous Disney movie, from the famous scene of eating one noodle together. This is Cinderella in my own style. This is a girl. This is another girl with long fluffy hair. As you can see in most of my drawings starting from here, I started to develop my new hairstyle. This is Stella from Winx Club. I used to watch Winx Club when I was little. This is Musa. This is Marida. She is a little different because I made her in my own style. This is a girl trying to catch her hat. I saw it from an illustration in a book. This is Elsa. This is Bloom from Winx Club. This is the girl. This is Jasmine. I really like her hair. They are so fluffy and they are so long. This is a girl with a big bow. This is a woman with a bun. So this is a girl, my own style, with her pet. These are the emotions from Inside Out. I saw the movie in my school. This is fear, this is joy, this is disgust, this is sadness, and this is anger. these are also emotions, but in my own style. This is anger, this is fear, this is joy, this is disgust, and this is sadness. So I got this idea from My Little Pony. I used to watch it when I was little. So there's a human being, and with magic she turned into a unicorn. This is Anna. This is Jasmine on the magical carpet. This is Merida, but not in my own style. And I really like her curls. She is so brave and not like other Disney princesses. This is Aurora. This is Milan in my own style, and I changed her dress and hair a little. This is Ariel holding some seashells. This is Colette and Pamela. I draw from Thea Stilton. And this is a cat woman. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed it making it for you. And if you like my drawings, please write in the comment section down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.